Hello everyone. Now today I have taken the topic coordinate geometry. So this is the very first class of coordinate geometry. Let's see what is it. Till now up to class 7 you have studied, up to class 8 you have studied only the one quadrant. See, this is called the quadrant. You have read up to this. This was your x-axis and this was your y-axis. So this was your first quadrant. Now in class 9 the four quadrants, all the four quadrants will be introduced to this. So again this is x-axis, this is y. So in the first quadrant, this is called the first quadrant, both the x and the y, they both are positive. Now let's see what is this. This is the second quadrant. So what will be the difference? The difference will be this after 0, before 0 it will be -1, -2 and up to infinity, because this will be now negative values of x will be starting. So in this quadrant, this is called the second quadrant. See, the quadrants goes like in the anti-clockwise direction. This was first, and on the anti-clockwise, moving anti-clockwise, you will get the second quadrant. So in this second quadrant, the value of x, see, this is the value of x, it is negative, and the value of y, this is the value of y. See, it is going upwards, it is positive. Now, moving into anti-clockwise direction, we will move to this quadrant. This is called the third quadrant. In this third quadrant, you will see the value of x is negative as well as the value of y also. See, this is the value of y, so this is also negative. In the third quadrant, both the x and y are negative. Now, this one is the last, fourth quadrant. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that the quadrants usually it is denoted in the Roman numbers. You won't write 1, 2, 3, 4 in our integers. It is denoted by the Roman number. So in the fourth quadrant, the x-axis it is positive, whereas the y-axis it is negative. So the question will be like this. Suppose you have to plot a point -5 and 6. Now you can see this is the x value and this is the y value. The x value is negative and the y value is positive. Let's see it is in which quadrant where the x is negative and y is positive. In the second quadrant, the x is negative and the y is positive. So in the second quadrant, you will search for this value -5. So -5, it is here, and the y as 6. Suppose we plot here as 6. So the 6 will be here. So this will be that coordinate -5 and 6. Now you tell me the coordinate in which quadrant -2 and -3 will be there. Comment in the answers.